Hello friends, how are you? Now we are discussing Turkish earthquakes. On 6 February, a 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck southern Turkey at 4:17 am. This is Turkey's most powerful earthquake recorded since 1939. At least 78 aftershocks have been reported, followed by a second earthquake of 7.5 magnitude at 1324 with the epicenter in Ikunoju, Kahramanmaraş province. Tremors were reportedly felt in Gaziantep and neighboring provinces. The government of Turkey has since issued a level 4 alarm, calling for international assistance. The earthquake also heavily impacted northwest Syria, a region where 4.1 million people dependent on humanitarian assistance today. The majority are women and children. At this time, Syrian communities are simultaneously hit with an ongoing cholera outbreak and harsh winter events including heavy rain and snow over the weekend. The humanitarian response is largely overstressed with a funding gap of 48% identified for the last quarter of 2022. The death toll of the devastating earthquakes and continuous aftershocks has passed 12,500, completely destroying many parts of southern Turkey and northern Syria. According to Turkey's Ministry of Interior Disaster and Emergency Management Presidency, AFAD, as of Wednesday, 9,057 people were reported dead and 52,979 injured. Meanwhile, the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights reported 3,500 dead, and Syrian aid group the White Helmets reported 2,300 wounded. Approximately 3 lakhs people in the region are left homeless after 8,300 buildings collapsed, and the World Health Organization estimates that 23 million people in the region need aid. Nearly 20,000 personnel have been mobilized under Turkey's state of emergency for the 10 most affected provinces, but workers and helpers are in a race with time and freezing temperatures during the area's worst winter storm this year. Health experts emphasize that survival rate after 72 hours falls below 25% at this level of disaster and weather. Media sources mentioned that mosques, churches, and schools were open to receive the affected people. On 6 February, the Ministry of Education announced suspending teaching in all schools in Syria until the end of the week. The governorates of the southern region, Damascus, rural Damascus, Daras, and Suedia, and Quneitra were not significantly impacted. However, the risk of building collapse in the event of another disaster is high in the mountain areas of Damascus and the illegal residential areas. And that's all. Subscribe the channel and stay with us.